I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast, but suddenly I feel so rich. Though I don't know nothing, oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes.